Did you know that swimming is not only a great way to cool off during the summer, but it also has tremendous benefits for muscle strength? When you swim, every stroke you take engages multiple muscle groups, giving them a thorough workout. Let's take a closer look at how swimming enhances muscle strength, stroke by stroke. First, let's talk about the upper body. As you pull your arms through the water, your chest, shoulders, and back muscles are actively engaged. This repetitive motion not only strengthens these muscles but also improves your posture and upper body stability. Now, onto the lower body. Your legs play a crucial role in swimming, kicking against the resistance of the water. This constant leg movement targets your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calf muscles, leading to increased strength and endurance. But swimming doesn't stop there. It also works wonders for your core muscles. To maintain a streamlined position in the water, your abdominal, back, and oblique muscles are constantly engaged. This not only strengthens your core but also improves your overall stability and balance. Moreover, swimming is a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. It reduces the risk of injury while providing an effective way to build muscle strength. So, whether you're a competitive swimmer or just taking a dip for leisure, know that each stroke you take in the pool is working to enhance your muscle strength from head to toe. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the power of swimming stroke by stroke. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy swimming!